Hi, this is Sean Paul with HVAC SEO Nerds. And right now I probably look more like a doctor than somebody who does SEO for the HVAC industry. But this is kind of the new norm that we're going to be living in. And I don't think it's going to change anytime soon. Days of hand sanitizer and face masks are here. And worrying about whether people are positive or negative regarding testing. And it's real disruptive to the economy. People are impacted globally right now. But I wanted to tell you that there's actually some opportunities for players in the HVAC industry. And I've got 3 simple COVID-19 industry-related response tactics that will help you over the next weeks and months gain new customers over your competition. More than likely, they're not going to be doing what I'm going to be suggesting, and it could add up to quite a few more jobs for you if you play your cards right. So and all the materials that you're going to need, you can get at our website, which is HVACSEOnerds.com. HVAC information there. But here we go. I'm going to show you, first of all, how to optimize your maps listing on Google with a post regarding COVID-19. Okay, so we're talking about one of the simplest things that you can do right now to help yourself. Now, you may not see an immediate response, and I will tell you why. All right. Now, if I go into the Gmail account for one of our clients here, I believe this is Heating and Cooling HQ in Northwest Arkansas, you go into the Gmail account that you're doing your maps listing for. Okay. Then what you do is you click My Business. Let me just show you that one more time. You go up to the icon for your Google account, click that, and then you're going to, the dot's over here. All right. And then you click the My Business. That'll bring you into it. Now, this is why we're doing this tactic is limited Google My Business functionality. All right. They've got issues right now, just like everybody does. Google is also affected. They've scaled back on their staffs, and they don't have the manpower to necessarily deal with this right now. So we're not seeing a lot of posts and reviews. Reviews are not even posting right now. We have insiders that are very close to Google, and the reports that we're getting is that this is going to be lifted in about 2 or 3 weeks. But that shouldn't stop you from doing this right here. Go to post. All right. Click posts. Look at that. COVID-19 update. If this is important to Google, you should do it. Why? Because if it's important to Google, they will reward you with higher rankings, because ideally you're going to want to be, let's just go back over here. You want to be in what's called the 3-pack. Okay. So if I type in, HVAC in, let's say, Bentonville, Arkansas. All right. You get a few ads, Google guaranteed here. You get the maps, and then here it is. All right. This is the gravy train right here. Okay. Now, our client is in Rogers, so he's not going to be in, if it's a proximity based query, they won't be in the 3-pack. All right. But you definitely want to be in this 3-pack. And then when you click on it, that's when your customers would definitely go looking for, your pictures and your reviews. New reviews are not being posted, and neither are the posts currently, but it will happen soon. All right. What you need to do is click the COVID-19 update, and you need to let your clients know that you're taking the threat seriously. Just write down a couple sentences saying, we're concerned about the health and well-being of our customers and our staff. We're making sure that they're wearing gloves, face masks, and those plastic overcover boots so that they don't feel like they're bringing anything in or out of your home, and sanitizing everything. Just say it in a couple, and definitely put in the keywords COVID-19, coronavirus, pandemic, response. Put that into your post, and then click publish. Now, this is why I'm advocating that we do it. We already did it for our client here. All right, closely monitoring and implementing the recommended safety precautions for our technicians and office staff. Fluid situation. Okay, the reason you want to do this is because your competition is not doing it. That's number one. So when things come back online and all of a sudden these posts are going to be reviewed, that's great. And now you will probably get a higher ranking. Now, when you have customers coming to your maps listing, again, in that snack pack there, which is what the nerds like us call it, all right, they're going to see that some people care about the COVID-19 virus and some people don't, businesses. And if you look like you're more compassionate, they're going to be more inclined to call you. So I hope that here helps you out here. If you want to get the materials, just go to HVAC SEO Nerds, and you can click the blog. Here it is, HVAC in the Age of COVID. I will have some demo blurbs that you can just copy, swipe it, and paste it right into the post, and you can use that, and you can also access more information. We have 2 more tips that we're going to be giving you. Again, in the same vein, it's going to make you look better, or it's just going to be helping you respond to this whole global situation. It's a disruption in the economy, and you guys can benefit from it. Also, we encourage you to join our group, HVAC SEO Nerds, on Facebook for HVAC providers. We'd love to have you as part of our group where we can keep giving you more information like this. I'm Sean Paul with HVAC SEO Nerds. Thanks a lot.